Hi there, I'm Robin from Pacific Mazda here, and I'm going to teach you a little bit how to use our navigation system. So easy way to get there is to use our scroller right over to the navigation button there, or we can press our nav button right here on the console. It's going to bring us right here. We're going to enter a new destination here, so it's the first button right there. What you can do is find an address. So you're going to start with a city, and you're going to type it in. I'm going to find something in Langford, because it's a nice one for us to find. So I start with the L, and it's going to take away letters for me. So it's a really simple way to get to the city that you're aiming for here. So we're going to go all the way to Lang and get our G, F, and then it's going to bring it up right there for me once it's found the city that I'm looking for. And then to get to a certain house or a different building, you do is just add the street name and the house number. Another lovely way to find a new destination is to use your voice. So just press the voice activation button here.
Say a command.
New destination.
Which type of destination would you like?
Gas stations. So by using the new destination and by asking for a certain point of interest, you can find all of the closest ones for you there. We see we have a Shell station just up the road from us. So if I were to go to that one, I can start a navigation to that business right there.